I need to fill my car.
Excuse me, I need to fill my car.
Sure. Which fuel does your car use?
It uses regular gasoline.
No problem.
Can you fill it up, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My fuel tank is almost empty.
You arrived just in time.
I was worried I wouldn't make it.
The nearest gas station is a few miles away.
I'm glad I found this one.
We're open every day.
How much is the fuel today?
It's $3 per gallon.
That's a fair price.
I'll start filling your tank now.
Great.
It will only take a few minutes.
Can I clean my windshield too?
Yes, the cleaning station is over there.
That's helpful.
We also have free air for tires.
I may need that too.
Just let me know.
Is my tank full now?
Yes, it's completely full.
How much do I owe you?
The total is $48.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, you can.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Did the payment go through?
Yes, everything is complete.
Can I have a receipt?
Certainly. Here's your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Drive safely.
My car is almost out of gas.
Oh no, my car is almost out of gas.
Don't worry.
The fuel light just came on.
Is there a gas station nearby?
I'm not sure.
I think there's one a few minutes away.
Really?
Yes, just keep driving straight.
I hope I have enough gas.
I think you do.
I don't want my car to stop.
It should be fine.
Have you been to that gas station?
Yes, many times.
Is it easy to find?
Very easy.
Does it stay open all day?
Yes, it's open 24 hours.
That's good.
You don't have to hurry.
How far is it?
About 2 miles from here.
That's not too far.
You'll be there soon.
I can see a sign ahead.
That's the gas station.
Great.
Just turn right at the next corner.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I'll fill my tank today.
That's a good idea.
I don't want this to happen again.
It's always good to keep some fuel in the tank.
You're right.
I never let my tank get too low.
I'll remember that.
It's a good habit.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
Have a safe drive.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Drive safely.
Where is the nearest gas station?
Excuse me, where is the nearest gas station?
It's only a few minutes from here.
Really?
Yes,
Can you tell me how to get there?
of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My car is almost out of gas.
Then you should go there soon.
Which way should I drive?
Go straight on this road.
Okay,
Drive for about 1 mile.
then what?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Is it easy to see?
Yes, there's a big sign.
That's helpful.
You can't miss it.
Is it open now?
Yes, it's open all day.
That's great.
They also have a small convenience store.
I need to buy a bottle of water too.
You can get one there.
Do they accept credit cards?
Yes, they do.
Perfect.
They also accept cash.
Is there usually a long line?
Not at this time.
That's good news.
You'll be in and out quickly.
Thank you for giving me directions.
Happy to help.
I was worried I wouldn't find it.
Now you know exactly where to go.
I'll head there right away.
Good idea.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Drive safely.
How much is gas today?
Excuse me, how much is gas today?
It's $3.50 per gallon.
Really?
Yes, that's today's price.
Is that for regular gas?
Yes, it is.
What about premium gas?
It's $4 per gallon.
I only need regular gas.
That's the most popular choice.
My car doesn't need premium.
Then regular is perfect.
Has the price changed this week?
Yes, it went up a little.
I noticed that.
Fuel prices change often.
I hope they go down soon.
Many people hope the same.
Can you fill my tank, please?
Certainly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes.
That's great.
I'll start right away.
My tank was almost empty.
You came just in time.
I didn't want to run out of gas.
That's never a good experience.
Is my tank full now?
Yes, it's completely full.
How much do I need to pay?
The total is $42.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
Did the payment go through?
Yes, everything is complete.
Can I have a receipt?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Drive safely.
Is this the right street?
Excuse me, is this the right street?
Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for Maple Street.
You're very close.
Really?
Yes.
I think I'm a little confused.
Don't worry.
I've been walking for a while.
It can be hard to find the right street.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Which way should I go?
Walk straight to the next corner.
Then what?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Will I see a sign?
Yes, the street name is on a blue sign.
That's helpful.
You can't miss it.
Is it far from here?
Only about 5 minutes on foot.
That's not bad.
It's an easy walk.
I'm meeting a friend there.
Then you'll arrive on time.
I hope so.
Your friend won't have to wait long.
Is there a cafe on that street?
Yes, there's a small cafe on the corner.
That's exactly where I'm going.
Then you're almost there.
Thank you for your directions.
Happy to help.
I was worried I was lost.
Not anymore.
I'll keep walking straight.
That's right.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I hope you find your friend.
Can you help me carry this? Excuse me, can you help me carry this?
Of course. It looks heavy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I bought too many groceries today.
I can see that.
These bags are heavier than I expected.
Let me take one.
That would be great.
Which bag is the heaviest?
The blue one.
Wow, it is heavy.
It has bottles and canned food.
No wonder.
I'm sorry to bother you.
It's no bother at all.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm happy to help.
I live only a few blocks away.
That's not far.
We can walk together.
Sounds good.
Do you shop here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
I like this supermarket.
Me too. The prices are reasonable.
Next time, I'll bring a shopping cart.
That's a smart idea.
Or maybe I'll buy fewer things.
That might help too.
We're almost at my apartment.
Great.
Thank you for carrying the bag.
You're very welcome.
I couldn't do it by myself.
Everyone needs a little help sometimes.
You're very kind.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
I lost my hat. Oh no, I lost my hat.
Really? When did you last see it?
I had it this morning.
Where did you go today?
I went to the park first.
Did you wear it there?
Yes, I did.
What happened after that?
Then I visited a small cafe.
Maybe you left it there.
I hope so.
Let's think carefully.
I remember taking it off.
Did you put it on a chair?
Yes, I think I did.
Then it might still be there.
Should we go back?
Yes, let's check.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, did anyone find a hat?
What color is it?
It's black with a blue stripe.
Let me look behind the counter.
I hope someone found it.
Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Is this your hat?
Yes, that's my hat.
I'm glad we found it.
I was so worried.
It's easy to forget things.
Thank you for keeping it safe.
No problem.
I'll be more careful next time.
That's a good idea.
I'll put it in my bag when I sit down.
That will help.
Thanks for helping me look for it.
Anytime.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Don't forget your hat again.
The park is beautiful today. Would you like to take a walk in the park?
Sure. The park is beautiful today.
I'm happy you could come.
Me too.
The weather feels wonderful.
Yes, it's sunny, but not too hot.
I love days like this.
They're perfect for walking.
Look at all the flowers.
Their colors are amazing.
They smell so nice.
I noticed that too.
Do you visit this park often?
Yes, almost every Saturday.
This is my first time here.
Then I'll show you around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hear birds singing.
They always sing in the morning.
It's so peaceful here.
That's why I like this place.
Let's walk to the lake.
Good idea.
I can see ducks in the water.
They're looking for food.
I brought my camera today.
You'll get some great pictures.
Can you take one of me?
Of course.
Thank you.
Smile.
How does it look?
It looks great.
Let's sit on that bench for a while.
I could use a short rest.
I brought some snacks.
That's perfect.
Would you like a sandwich?
Yes, thank you.
I'm really enjoying today.
So am I.
We should come here again.
I'd love to.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Can I sit by the window?
Excuse me, can I sit by the window?
Yes, that seat is available.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really like sitting near the window.
It's the best seat in the cafe.
The view is beautiful.
You can see the whole street from there.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Please have a seat.
Is anyone sitting here?
No, it's all yours.
Great.
Would you like a menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Take your time.
I think I'll order a coffee.
Our coffee is very popular.
That sounds good.
Would you like anything to eat?
Maybe a sandwich.
We have chicken, cheese, and vegetable sandwiches.
I'll have the chicken sandwich.
Excellent choice.
And one hot coffee, please.
I'll bring your order soon.
I enjoy watching people outside.
Many customers choose this seat for that reason.
It's very relaxing.
I agree.
This cafe feels cozy.
We're glad you like it.
My order smells wonderful.
I hope you enjoy it.
Everything looks delicious.
Thank you.
I'll definitely come back again.
We'll be happy to see you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoy your meal.
I need to print this document.
Excuse me, I need to print this document.
Certainly, I can help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have the file on my phone.
That's no problem.
How can I send it to you?
You can email it to us.
Okay, I'll send it now.
I'll check our computer.
I just sent the email.
Let me refresh the inbox.
Did you receive it?
Yes, I have it now.
Great.
How many copies do you need?
Just 2 copies, please.
Do you want them in color or black and white?
Black and white is fine.
That will save you some money.
That's good.
Would you like single-sided or double-sided printing?
Single-sided, please.
No problem.
How long will it take?
Only a minute.
I'll wait here.
Your documents are printing now.
Thank you.
They're almost ready.
They look very clear.
We use high-quality printers.
How much do I owe you?
The total is $2.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, you can.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is complete.
Thanks for your excellent service.
It was my pleasure.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. We hope to see you again.